Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We've already started today and the mission for today is to fit the cubbies that are going to be at the back of the van here. Mel's already started, he's measured up, we know the plan and we're just going to get that constructed and we'll show you what it looks like in a minute when we've got that all done. But it's going to have essentially little cubbies with drawers and then a blanked off space on the side for the outdoor shower to be fitted. And we're going to plumb that in, run it under the drawer along this gap here where the wheel arch is, all the way to the kitchen, which is at the front. Underslung water tank is going to be fitted behind the front driver's seat underneath. So yeah, hopefully it all goes to plan and we can have a kitchen both outside and inside. I'm going to be sanding. Mel is over here currently planning out the drawers. You will have seen Mel is an excellent self-build drawer maker.
I am now I've got a track saw.
So here we go. Mel is enjoying using Adrian's equipment here, which is fantastic.
Yes, I'm using Adrian's equipment for Rebecca's drawers.
And I'm over here in our little section. So this is the top, which has been kept and shaped around the pillar. We've got the back of the cupboard here, which has also been notched for the curve of the van. Two side pieces for the cheeks of the tailgate. And then the four fronts of the cupboard, and then Mel is cutting the rest over there. So that's the current update. It's nice and quiet in the workshop today because a few people are out and about doing stuff. We're going to have some lunch in a minute, but we're just going to crack on and get this done, and we'll see you in a bit. Welcome back. Right, well, we've cut all the pieces ready to put into the back of the van. We've got numerous sides, doors, tops, you name it. We've sanded them all down and Mel has been making some handles in them for me as well. We currently have just gone live over on Mel's channel. So we're trying to do multiple things today, but we thought we'd mix it up a little bit, do the filming for my channel and also do a live chat. So hopefully you all enjoyed that and we will be doing more if you did. So what we're going to be doing is getting the boxes that we've all cut up into these. We're going to be making them into a box, which we have here. Mel has been making all of these boxes. We measured out the width of the van and worked out that we wanted 4 of these boxes and then 1 blank so that I can fix my shower onto the panel as well. So that's what it looks like so far. Okay, so we've just finished the live chat. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously you'll have seen it well, maybe even a couple of weeks ago by the time that this video comes live for you guys. But in case you haven't seen that live chat and were involved, let me show you what the finished result is from Mel's hard work. So we've got 4 massive storage drawers, which we can easily pull in and out. It's just placed here for now because we're just figuring out the spacing. These are going to be fixed, by the way, so they're just going to be dividers. Fixed top, fixed bottom. This side end one is going to have a fixed panel where I'm going to be fitting an outdoor shower, which will eventually have a hook up above on the tailgate so that we can hook the shower up above. So all in all, it looks pretty good. The following day, woohoo! So here we are for anyone interested. This is the construction of the actual pool drawer up close. I didn't manage to film it the other day. Then we made sure that we could get the box off and then fitted these rails up above, ready to take the new sliding boxes. So Mel, tell me what you've been doing.
Trying to assemble this, but I've never constructed anything quite like this before, as you can see.
Because it's a frame, a base and a top with a frame with boxes.
So I'm trying to space it out. This is the top, this is the bottom. So once I've glued and pinned the top, then I've got to basically do the bottom.
Yeah. And the pillars of the van go up here.
These pieces of cardboard just space the compartments out evenly. So these can slide in and out easy enough.
Yeah. So this is the back.
But we don't want too much space, because if you go too much, they'll rattle around when you drive.
So yeah, we've taken this whole construction from out of the back of the van, like you saw on the live the other night, just because we wanted to pin the bottom of this cabinet, and we couldn't do it because of the pull-out drawer blocking the way. This is the bottom. Got small little pieces for the ends as well. So yeah, pinned and glued. Then once Mel's done that, we're going to put the whole thing in the van and fix it.
Once the glue's dried.
Once it's dried, yeah.
I'm just using the set square to mark down where I've got to put the panel pins.
Yeah, so it's nice and straight.
Take this piece apart, put a bead of glue down it.
I am doing this myself as well. So yeah, that's where we had it for a moment. But
this has got to be the most intricate piece of furniture that I've made ever in a camper van.
And we haven't even started on the van interior cupboard.
That's it, that's the last one. So now we're going to stand it up and see if it actually worked. Is it all going to be straight, square, and more importantly, will they slide in and out the top? So it goes that way. It only bloody works.